Hello sweethearts, my name's Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in the sun-kissed, beachy, peaceful and spectacular location and the town of Albir. This town is in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you a splendid, elegant and modern contemporary villa that is detached on a plot of 600 square meters and the house itself is 150 square meters. It is distributed on one floor, offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So let's begin the tour. So as you come in through the door of your street entrance, it's got a lovely pathway that leads to the front door of the home. As you come in, you will see that the interior design of the home, they have decided to go for the palette of white, grey and black. And you are immediately coming into a spacious entry hall. The entry hall I really like because you do have your integrated wardrobes on one side for your personal belongings. Now the design of the home also is that it has functionality and ease for those that live here, and so I'm going to take you to show you the bedrooms. This is the primary suite that we are now coming into, and the primary suite is 17 square meters. Throughout the home you will find that the ceiling height is 2.7 meters. As you can see, the primary is actually spacious. It gives you lots of natural light that come in through those windows, and on one side you also see that it's got your integrated wardrobes. You also find that there is a doorway that leads to your ensuite bathroom, and what you will find is that all of the bathrooms in the home come fully equipped. So taking you from the ensuite bathroom in the primary, I'm now going back into the hall, and I'm going to be showing you the main bathroom to serve the home, which would also be the guest bathroom. This one is again with a similar feel, giving you the grey porcelain stone with the accents also of dark. What you will find here as well is that all of the bathrooms are provided with a specification of underfloor heating. Coming along the hall a little bit more, and we are now coming into the second bedroom. This bedroom is again spacious and inviting, and very warm and rich in the feel as you enter. You have a space of 17 square meters with windows on one side, and also you have your integrated wardrobes on the other wall, giving you plenty of storage. Now all of the bedrooms and all of the living areas come with air conditioning, hot and cold, for day-to-day comfort. Over the hall, I'm taking you to the third bedroom. This bedroom is 13 square meters. It is again light and bright with a similar interior feel, and you can see that again you have your wall of integrated wardrobes. This also would be the perfect spot if you didn't need that additional bedroom, would like to have an office instead. So taking you now out of the bedrooms, and it leads really nicely to the main living area of the home. It opens into what is your open plan living room, dining room and kitchen space. This living area altogether is 52 square meters, and again a ceiling height of 2.7 meters. Here in the expanse of the lounge area, you can see that it gives you inviting views, not only of your gardens that surround the property, but also give you access to your terraces where you would entertain, and also to the swimming pool. You have floor-to-ceiling doors and windows that are also double glazed and anti-glare, meaning that whilst it maintains its natural sunlight, it also gives you a nice hue so it's not too bright. Taking you across the way, in the living space, you also have a dining area, again overlooking your garden space. This dining table they've chosen is set to dine 4, and it gives you great seamlessness as you also then come into the main kitchen area. So with the kitchen itself, what they have decided to do is go with a large central island. The central island features a breakfast bar set for 3 on one side, and then you also have storage cabinetry on this side. You have here an electric hob that has your induction automatically integrated. And what's really nice about your kitchen is it comes with plenty of cabinets. So if you are an avid cook, you like to entertain, it's fantastic, you will not run out of space. On one side here, on the back wall, you have your large refrigerator, continuation of your cabinets, the dishwasher. You also have your sink, cabinetry above, and also going to the very end here where you have your oven and your microwave. Walking along this beautiful starlit promenade, we are in Rocco de Albir, overlooking the beach that is in between the beautiful towns of Benidorm on one side and Altea on the other. This is where you will find that Albir is actually located. For many, it is a community of expatriates and Spanish that live side by side and also very peacefully together. It attracts a lot of interest because, as you can see, you have natural landscapes. We are surrounded by the Sierra Gelada mountain range, which is extremely picturesque, but yet we also have this pebble beach here and great facilities, services and amenities within walking distance. So what is so lovely about this area as well, that's quintessential about it, is it's remained to keep its Spanish charm. If you do like to eat out as well, you will find some of the nicest restaurants that you have a choice of all types of culinary desires right here too. Taking you from the main living area, I have to say the cherry on the cake is being able to open these patio doors and have that full integration with the outdoor terraces and the swimming pool. This is where you have the peace and the serenity of your location, but you also have a great sense of space for enjoying the climate and also entertaining your nearest and your dearest. They have actually thought about the design, as it is Scandinavian inspired, to enjoy the sustainability and the functionality, but also, as I said, the climate. And in that sense, we have here a roofed area that's perfect for outdoor lounging and also dining. You also have a fireplace space in case you're wanting a little bit of heat on those warmer nights. And you will find that this is quite a spacious rectangular swimming pool, offering 10 by 5 with steps that lead down gradually and also giving you a shallow end, which then leads to a deeper end. It then also takes you onto what would actually currently being used as a sun lounging spot, but this is actually a barbecue kitchen area. So if you like the idea of eating al fresco in the sunshine, you will have all the pipework and installation already there for you, and you could use it because it's perfectly roofed as well. This is a great option for those that again want to take their entertaining to the next level. And so coming across this way as well, for the comfort of the swimmers, you have your outdoor shower, which is right there as well, and also giving you a pocket of shade. Next to the showers, you have 2 storage rooms and technical rooms. And then it leads back onto the perimetering area of your plot space. So here you have, again, the pathway that leads to your front door, but you also have an ample size space for parking your vehicle should you need it, a driveway that leads into the property, and your automatic gates that give you ease of entry. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €1,000 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse collection is €180 per year. As you can see, I have showed you today an authentic, minimalist, Nordish designed property all on a single story. What makes this ideal is for those that have accessibility issues going in and out of the property. It is all on one floor and gives you that nice seamless flow. It's also built high on sustainability, so you'll find that the specifications are to a good standard. You have electric shutters, LED lighting, underfloor heating in the bathroom, a parking space within the grounds of the home, and much more. Can I just say, I just want to dive into that swimming pool myself right now. Anyway, what I also love about this area is it's in the urbanization of Flores in Naranjos, a peaceful residential area where you have a great community mixed with its Spanish as well as expatriates from all countries, as well as close proximity to local amenities. Just a short drive away and you're at the beach, you're at a beautiful restaurant, you're at lovely shops to go and browse, and you also have your day-to-day amenities too. So if you do like the listing and you'd like to know more, then come to our website, which is SpainHomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name's Nikima. It was a great pleasure to see you again, and no doubt I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!